I want to talk today about why you should use IGTV for your business. That stands for Instagram TV or Instagram long form video. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Trisha Clements, Chief Fur Wrangler with MuttButs.com. I'm a social media manager and consultant specializing in pet businesses and video. Let's talk about IGTV or Instagram TV. A lot of people talk about it as long form video on Instagram. Let's talk about a little bit of background so you really understand what's going on here. The top 3 most popular websites are number 1, Google, number 2, YouTube, and number 3, Facebook. And they are really fighting. YouTube and Google stay where they are, for Facebook is fighting to get in that number 1 position. And this is really good for us. That's because they're fighting and we need to get in there and take advantage of all the new features that they're coming out with. Google's the number 1 search engine and YouTube is the number 2 search engine. You might not know, but YouTube is owned by Google. So Google and YouTube really kind of have had the market cornered on the long form video for quite some time. And Facebook really likes video. You can see that with their recent change in their algorithm. If you have a business page on Facebook, you may have seen your views go down, your comments go down. That's because people are seeing your page less and less in their feed. One way to help increase that is to add native videos on Facebook or do some Facebook Live, because Facebook is really putting priority on video, native videos and Facebook Live. One also is that Facebook owns Instagram. So basically you have Google and YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and they're really trying to go after one another, come up with new things. They're really coming up with lots of changes to either stay at the top or move to the top. And this is great for you and your business because Instagram has this new IGTV, and this is basically Facebook's way to go after Google's market share with video. Millennials really prefer Instagram over Facebook. There are a lot of things on the news recently about Facebook and all the different issues in front of Congress and everything with privacy. And a lot of millennials really prefer to go on Instagram and use it. And actually in June of 2018, Instagram reached 1 billion monthly active users. So that's pretty huge for them. And one thing that they just came out with, this long form video, the really big difference is before you could only do 3 to 60-second videos and have them on Instagram. Now that's changed. You can now do a video up to an hour long. Yeah, they're going right after YouTube. You can comment, like, and share your videos on Instagram, IGTV, with your friends. Sounds a lot like YouTube. The one difference that Instagram has really tried to do is how the video is sized. For YouTube, it has always been a horizontal video, and that means your video was horizontal and the size was 1920 by 1080. And that is really basically how all the long videos are done on YouTube, is that format. Instagram has decided to switch things up a bit. This is because people are using their cell phones all the time. Everywhere they go, that's where their main source is, to use their cell phone. So they have switched. Instead of doing horizontal, they're doing vertical videos. That means the size of your IGTV video is going to be 1920 by 1080. So it's going to basically fill your whole cell phone up, but you're going to hold your phone like you normally do. You're not going to turn it sideways to hold it. You're going to hold it straight up. So that is the big difference that Instagram is really instituting, seeing how this all shakes out. The one thing I want to say is make sure you're doing videos Post them on IGTV. It's something new. People are just starting to do it. Go ahead out there, get those videos on IGTV. Your Facebook Live videos are also primarily filmed vertical as well. So make sure you repurpose some of those Facebook Lives. You can trim it, clip it, and put it on IGTV. When you go into your Instagram app, there is the IGTV icon at the top right. Click on that, get your account set up, and just start posting. Just get used to it now while it is still brand new. One thing is Instagram also has a standalone app for people who want to use it that way. However, some people don't like all of those apps on their phone right here. And so you can use it within your Instagram app as well. Post your IGTV videos and put us a link in the comments. I want to see what you're doing on IGTV and all of the different comments, likes that you're getting, how you're doing with IGTV. Get moving, take advantage of Google and Facebook's little battle war going on online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe. I'm Tricia Clemens with MuttButs.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.